Yo, we are back with another video, and this week I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 ways to raise capital for your deposits on the next purchase you may want to make. Now, this is a big one because this is always the hardest thing for a lot of people to do, i.e. finding the money to invest in the first place. So here are a couple of the insights, the tips, the little insider knowledge that you might not know that you can use to invest in property. So number 1 on the list, and that is the obvious one, which is personal savings, i.e. you've worked, you've slaved away, you've done your 9 to 5, your 8 to 8, your 8 to 12, you've done all the hours, yeah? You've saved up enough capital to be able to invest in a property, whether it's in the UK, Wales, wherever in the world you are, you've saved up, but that's the main source of how you've got that big pot of money from your own personal savings. You've slaved away, you've worked hard for that money. That money is yours. Now you're going to invest it in something wise, something smart. I can see you, I know you're going to, I trust you. But yeah, that's number 1, personal savings. Number 2 on the list, and this is a very interesting one that not a lot of people would actually consider, and that is equity in a property you already own, or equity in a property which maybe a family member owns, or a close friend or a relative owns, which you know you can have a conversation with them and then tell them what you want to do. So what I mean by equity and how that's going to be useful for you to raise capital in your next investment. So you go to Mr. Banker and you would say, hi, Mr. Banker, I already have a property which is worth 400,000. Yep. Within that property, I have, let's say for example, I have £50,000 worth of equity which I can release. Now, what you will then do is you will refinance that property and then pull out all of that 50,000 and then use that 50,000 to then go and invest in another property. Now, guess what? What does that mean? You've got 2 houses now. You got the one which you already had and you pulled out that 50,000, and you got the second which you've just gone and invested. So boom, there you go, equity. Number 3, and this one is more for the kind of older generation, to put it politely, and it is your pension pot. So if you've worked over a very long period of time, then I'm guessing you built up a large pension pot. Now what that means is that you can actually gain access to your pension quite earlier than you have expected. So if you thought, I'm going to retire when I'm 60, 70, but you know what, I'm 50 right now, I actually want to invest in property. Let me see if I can access my pension pot, pull out some of that capital and then go and invest. So pension is definitely a good one to look further into. I'll be completely honest, I don't know that much about it, purely because like I'm still young, do you know what I mean? I'm losing my hair, but I'm still young. But yeah, definitely look into pension. Number 4, and this is for the lucky some. This is for those people who may have like a rich family member or a rich parent, or just a long line of just rich people. Like, bro, if you are, like, give me a shout, like we could work together on something. But let's say for example you have that person in your family and unfortunately that person passes away. Now when that person passes away, they leave you an inheritance, money in the bank. They say, do you know what, I really liked Sol when I was around. You know, when I go, I'm gonna leave Sol £1 million. Yeah, £1 million. Listen, I'm hoping that family member is out there, because I don't know them right now, but I'm hoping they're out there. Cool. They're gonna leave me £1 million. Now that is the inheritance fund you receive. Now there is certain taxes on inheritance which you will have to look into further, but let's say for example you now have that £1 million from your inheritance from a member of your family passing away. You can then use that money to go and invest in different properties. And number 5 on the list, and this is an investor's favorite, and that is other people's money. So you may have friends you know, or family members you know, or even friends of friends or people on social media who have access to big funds, but it's just sitting in their bank. They're not earning a good interest on it. It's not doing anything for them. Now you come along, say, listen, I want to invest in property. If you lend me a certain amount, I can guarantee you a fixed return, which is anywhere between 5 to 10%. Prime example is they may say, you may approach them and say, listen, I need 50K so that I can invest in this property. Now I will guarantee you that I will give you back 10%, for example. Anywhere between 5 to 10% is typically what most investors might ask for. Yeah. So I will guarantee you 10% for, let's just ease the numbers. So you're giving me 50K, I'm gonna give you back in 12 to 18 months, I'm gonna give you back 55K. Now the reason why this is good is because for most people, if they have large chunks of money sitting in their savings, that's doing nothing, because interest rates at the moment on savings are between 0.1% and 1%. Do you hear what I said? 0.1 and 1. Not 2, not 3. Yeah, I get in 1. That is the max you can go to at the moment. So for someone to come along and say, listen, I can guarantee you that you give me a loan of 50K, I'll give you 10% back, then it's kind of a no-brainer that you would want to do that. Of course, you want to make sure that you check out the person and make sure that they check out and you've got all the legal paperwork in place. But this is another great way to kind of invest if you're looking to start out and you may not have access to any of the 4 others that we've talked about. Guys, that is another video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, you know the drill. Like, comment, share. I don't know why I keep saying subscribe. I want to say subscribe. Maybe I might go back on YouTube. I might do it. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Please follow SRG Property and stay connected.